So there's different types of loans out there. You've got the three main types of loans are VA, conventional, and FHA loans. VA loans are specific to veterans and surviving spouses of veterans. Conventional loan, anybody can get that loan. And FHA loans, which in most cases anyone can get those loans as well. The different loan programs have different criteria. Like I said, the veteran, the VA loan, the really kind of the big benefit of that is there's no down payment requirement. So you could buy a house for, $1.5 million with a VA loan and not have to pay any down payment. They've got very competitive interest rates. And, like I said, it's a great way to get into a home if you serve the country, and it's a fantastic benefit. Conventional loans, which is, seemingly the majority of the loans that we do, are loans that are typically insured by places like you've heard of things like Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. Those are the buyers of mortgages ultimately. And they have like standard criteria for what they determine whether someone is going to qualify or not. Those conventional loans for first-time home buyers, you can put as little as a 3% down payment. And then occasionally there's other programs that you can kind of lay behind them that even reduce the down payment even more. And then lastly, FHA loans. FHA loans are ones that are insured by the Federal Housing Administration. Those I would say is kind of the most flexible type of financing. They allow for a 3.5% down payment, and you don't have to have like perfect credit to do a loan like that. So if you have any sort of qualifying difficulties, that may be a way to go, but still be able to obtain a competitive interest rate. Recently, with changes in the new administration, that loan program is only going to be eligible to either U.S. citizens or permanent residents. So if you're not a permanent resident or U.S. citizen, you can no longer do an FHA loan. Otherwise, I'm happy to kind of expand on that more and kind of individual conversations, but those are the basics of the different types of loans that are out there.